كلا كلا إذا بلغت التراقي كلا إذا بلغت التراقي. Truly, when the soul reached the collarbone, when the soul reached the throat, it is coming out. Just imagine I'm talking about you on your sick bed. كلا إذا بلغت التراقي وقيل من راق. You look around. Who is going to heal him? Who is going to heal you? وقيل من راق. Is there any doctor around? Listen. سفري بعيد وزادي لن يبلغني وقوتي ضعفت والموت يطلبني وقد أتوا بطبيب كي يعالجني وقد أتوا بطبيب كي يعالجني. They brought the doctor to heal me today. ولم أرى الطب هذا اليوم ينفعني. No magic today. No doctor can help you today. No healer can stop the death today. ولم أرى الطب هذا اليوم ينفعني. Right there, brother, listen to Allah. وظن أنه الفراق. وظن أنه الفراق. Right there you are certain that this is the final hour. Right there you are certain that this is it. That's it. I'm done. وظن أنه الفراق والتفت الساق بالساق إلى ربك. إلى ربك يومئذ المساق. You are going. You are departing. You are leaving. So the feet will be brought together. That's it. You are taking the journey. إلى ربك, to your Lord. Are you ready? Did you prepare for that day? Are you preparing for that day because maybe later or tomorrow? Are you prepared? Are you ready to go? وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين. No one can stop it. You are going. You are about to go. You are leaving. That's it. But brother, if you prepare for that day, if you get ready for that day, then congratulations. Listen. يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية. It will be said to your soul, just come out. Go to your Lord, pleased and well pleasing. فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي. And listen, before that, إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة. The angels will descend upon you. ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا. Do not fear, do not grieve. Yes, the time is up. You have to die. You are about to go. But listen. وأبشروا بالجنة. Allahumma ja'alna minhum ya Rabb. This is the glad tidings of Jannah. Yes, you are about to die. Yes, you are about to leave your family. Don't worry. Allah will take care of them. And you are going to your Lord. You are going to Jannah. And brother, some people will cry. On the sick bed. وَلَوْ تَرَى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم. When the bad ones are dying, those who disobeyed Allah, and the angels will tell them, أخرجوا أنفسكم, remove your souls by force, with force. Go to Surah Al-Anfal. ولو ترى إذ يتوفى الذين كفروا الملائكة يضربون وجوههم وأدبارهم